Vision Pulse POWER is now developed for welding medium-large thickness steel and non-ferrous materials when high penetration and very smooth bead is needed at the same time. The fine-tuned and well-balanced combination between MIG pulse and Vision Power allows to simply weld with an extreme reduction of melting defects in the puddle and heat-affected areas too. In Vision Pulse Power, MIG pulse grants the perfect melting of the material without spatters and short circuits. And Vision Power favors a greater penetration and increase in the travel speed, with less heat input and easier control of the deposited material. Try Vision Pulse Power to get a very smooth, well-penetrated, defect-free bead. Vision Pulse Power. Look and believe. CEA. Welding together.